Okay, so the main thing that I want to get across today is that when we consume media, we need to listen really closely to the writer's word choices. And the reason that I think that lesson has been so valuable to me during this unit is because it applies to so many things in our lives. Um, I really enjoyed the Dumbledore assignment where we had to compare the two perspectives, both of his friend Dodge and also the busybody news reporter for the Daily Prophet, Rita Skeeter, because I think it's really valuable to spend a lot of time looking at just simple word choices that a writer uses because it really does show us how the writer feels about the topic that they're writing about. And when we can figure out how they feel, we can see if there's a bias and if they're telling the whole truth or half the truth and that sort of thing. So I just made this little chart as a quick visual for you to see. For instance, if you're reading something and instead of the author using the word thin to describe their character, if they use one of these other words, it really can make a big impact and show us if they have positive feelings or negative feelings towards that character. And so those are the types of things I think this unit has really helped me understand best. Thank you.